If you're ready to wake up your golf cart's performance, Reliance motors are built for exactly that. Designed for multiple models, these motors are engineered as direct factory replacements with serious performance gains. We're talking up to 35% improvement over OEM motors, increased torque, and higher top speeds when paired with a high-performance controller. Each motor is constructed for superior reliability and backed by a 1-year warranty. They're compatible with both 36-volt and 48-volt systems and work with OEM and Nivel's controllers, making them a flexible upgrade option for a wide range of builds. Whether you're looking for high-speed performance or massive torque gains for lifted carts and larger tires, there's a motor for you. Pair one of these motors with a Nivel's controller and you unlock even more performance, gaining higher top speeds while retaining the torque you need for real-world driving. If you're building carts that stand out and perform better, Reliance Motors deliver the power to make it happen. Reliance DC Motors. Get yours today.